RibBracket is your ultimate solution for mounting almost anything on exposed-fastened trapezoidal metal roofs found across the world and in North America, known as the R-Panel and PBR-Panel. Whether you're adding solar PV systems, HVAC units, or walkways and other rooftop utilities, RibBracket has you covered. If you're looking to attach solar with the PV kit to trapezoidal exposed fastened profiles, RibBracket 1 through 5 provides a complete lineup to help you find the ideal fit. With no messy sealants to apply, say goodbye to leaks. RibBracket comes with a factory-applied EPDM rubber gasket seal, ensuring a weatherproof attachment. But it doesn't stop there. The S5 integrated reservoir conceals the EPDM from harmful UV exposure, keeping it safe from drying out. RibBracket is not only economical, but also incredibly adaptable. This sheeting-only attachment can be positioned anywhere along the roof's ribs, increasing its versatility. RibBracket has been rigorously tested for load-to-failure results in sheet-only scenarios. One of RibBracket's standout features is its slotted top hole that accommodates standard M8 nuts and bolts and allows minor positional adjustment. The design of the RibBracket simplifies alignment, making it the go-to attachment for your trapezoidal metal roof. Plus, the structural aluminum construction is compatible with all aluminum and painted or bare-coated steel profiles. How do you install RibBracket? Installation is a breeze. Let's gather your tools first. You'll need a variable speed, variable torque screw gun, a 5/16 inch hex screw gun tip, a string line, a rag, and a tape measure. Mount the bracket on the crown of your panel using the provided self-piercing screws. Ensure that you use all the pre-punched holes for maximum holding strength. Drive the fastener until the washer is firmly seated. Do not overdrive the fasteners. A slight extrusion of rubber around the washer is a good visual indicator of appropriate tightness. Now for the final touches. After mounting, slide the included M8 hex flange nut with the flange side up into the top groove. For a solar install, start by placing a RibBracket at each end of the array, maintaining a consistent distance from the roof edge. Secure a string line for alignment and set the remaining brackets to the line. Securely mount solar rails by attaching an L-foot to the top of the RibBracket. And that's it! With RibBracket, you can confidently mount solar PV and other rooftop accessories without worrying about leaks or complicated installations. Thanks for watching. For more information and to learn how RibBracket can work for you, visit our website.